to number 22. There's a reset. Foul. Number 18. Pushing foul. 22 shooting for two. Number 18 in the goal for Team China. Number 22, there's a reset. Traveling. Blue. 24. Number 15. No good. Super. Adolfo bringing the ball for Charlie. Agnes. Took over by Agnes. Tumira, there's a reset. Foul number 22. Number 22, shooting for free throws. Mr. Face of the Team, Mr. Arvin Aguila. No good. The face of the phone out. Second shot, no good time. Hotel on the run. Still by number 6, pinasa kay Tanokyo on the run. With a pay, 2 points by Mr. Tanokyo. The point back, Padong Ira. Number 24, Manaan, getting the play for Hotel. Number 33, no good, rebound by Mr. Castillo. On the run, number 1 Castillo. Pinasa kay Tanokyo, tumingit. Still completed by number 33, Manaan, getting the play for Valencia. There's a weekend. Foul on number 22, lucky foul. Substitution, mandatory substitution. Balik po, balik, diba? At hindi naman nakakasip sulo na, balik pa natin. Five and 42. Ito na. Mr. Ilagan, pinasa sa number 7. Brooks Ilagan, pinasa sa number 7, nakuha ang bola. Pinasa kay Odex, tumira ng 3. No good. Miller, nakuha ng Miller, Isaac Laurez, pinasa kay Sandoval. On the run, number 9. Good for 2 by number 9. Sandoval. 8-6 our score. Brooks Ilagan. Setting the play for Rodel. Brooks Ilagan, pinasa kay number, tumira ng 3 points. Number, sumakita ng basta 3 points. Sandoval, setting the play for White. Pinasa kay Mr. Balitaan. Pinasa. Nawala ang bola, nawala ang number ng Dark. Tumatakbo. Nawala ni Roman. 2 points. Good for 2 points. Kay Mr. Demano. Number 9, pinasa kay Mr. Balitaan. Setting the play for Light. Last 4 minutes. Miller, Aure, provide. Save ball. Last touch by Mr. Dirama. 11 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes on the game time. Tordesillas, binigay ni Aure. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Binigay ni Mr. Joseph. Nabot. Nakuha ni Mr. Okay, nakuha ni Mr. Rodolfo. Now on the run. Hotel. Pinasa. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Tordesillas. Pinasa ni Mr. Palitan. Our strong champion season 1 provides. Good for 2 points. Palitan. 38 for score. 3 minutes and 24 seconds on the shot on the game time. Pinasa sa 19. Rodolfo. Pinasa kay Omex. Ramos. Pinasa sa 7. Mr. Ilagan. Hesitated the shot. Number 7. Omex. 1 second. Shot clock violation. Number 9 on the run now. Kevin the play for Light. Pinasaan sa Palitan. Top 8. Kumit. Binigay. Kumilay. Rebound by Mr. Tordesillas. Number 21. Foul. Mr. Dirama. First team foul. First foul. Sorry. Aura. 30 seconds on shot clock. Loses the ball. Pinato. Out of bounds. Dark warning for penalty. Last 2 minutes. Aura provide. Just a weekend. Foul. Foul number 7. Penalty. Mr. Haure, shooting for two. No good for the first shot. Second attempt. No good pa rin. Narikaw ang Mr. Orolfo. Magmamaglit. Papasa kaya. Pinasa sa Isuwa. 12 on the clock. 11. Kata to the rebound. Nato pa kay Mr. Haure. Papasa kaya pinasa sa Isuwa. Good for two. 13-10 ang score. Pinasa kay Mr. Brooks Nilala. Pwede ka play for hotel. Isuwa. 15 on the shot clock. Okay, pinasa kay Orolfo. Good to the Reapers. 55 seconds on the game time. Balitaan ang mamagalit. Last. 15 on the shot clock. Tandoba, pinasa kay Balitaan. No good. Dark ball. Seven on the clock. For two more, rebound to make the submission. Foul number 26. Two-shot foul. Two-shot for Mr. Gerald. First throw, good for 1 point. Second throw, no good. Rebound for submission. Foul number 23, Mr. Jesse Balitaan. Number 19, shooting the two. 14 fouls per night. First throw, good for 1 point. Second throw. There's a whistle, line violation, too early, light ball. 26 seconds of the game time. Miller, nagmamadali, steal by Isuwa. Pinasa number 43, left alone. 2 points by Mr. Orolfo. 15 seconds of the shot, game time. Balitaan, nagmamadali, balitaan. Pinasa kay Gonzalez. 7 seconds. Josel, 2 points. Success return by Mr. Gonzalez. And the third score. Agapio to Castillo, setting the paper light. Baldovino, close to himself. Press from Taubes. Pinasa kay Castillo. No good. Rebound by Park. Pinasa sa number 6. Almost a stop there by 9. Number 6. 10 seconds of the shot clock. Number 6. Nakuha ni Mr. Torres. Pinasa kay Castillo. Pinasa kay Panopio. For 3 balls, Mr. Panopio. 19-15 na score. For 14. Number 13, Brunei. For 17. It's a traveling, so by our referee. Mr. Orton setting the paper light. Provide, pinasa kay Lino, Castillo. Binigay kay Carl Panopio. Number 7. Number 6. Castillo. He's taking to the back. That back. No good. Rebound by number 87. 14. To make 2 points. 21-15 our score in favor of start. Castillo setting the play. Last 15. Panopio, Rumay, pinasakay the Pino to make 2 points by Mr. Argentino. 21-17. Tapa to number 13. Tumira 2 points by Mr. Argentino. 23-17 for the second quarter. 9:38 on the clock. 15 on the shot clock. Ortone in the play. Panopio. Ortone. No good. Rebound by number 13. Triple pass to number 14. No good. Panopio. Brumay. 2 points by Mr. Panopio. 23-19 our score in favor of start. Pursuit. 14 na bola. Set. Tumira ang 3. No good. Nakuha ang Mr. Panopio. Panopio na now. 2 points right. 21 2.8 by start. Matapa getting the play. Pull up jump. No good. Invite on the pass. For 2. Good for 2-1. Dead knock. Time out. Mark. Nagitna po ito awal. Dito makikita naman. Game time. Our score, deadlock on 23. 8-28 on the game time.
Uy, hindi nakatakin.
Okay. Number 6, getting the play. 13 provide. 2 points. 13. Castillo. Bababa na bola. Ordones. Tumira ng boss. No good. There's a reason. Foul number 6. Pushing foul. First team foul for Light. Matapa. Bababa ng bola. Rumahit. Room to low. Ito ang 13. 14. Pinasa sa 87. No one rebound by Mr. Castillo. Panopio. The drive. No call. For number 13. 14. Setting the play. Number 6. Nakabang. Revive. Number 13. Rebound by Albertino. Panopio. Pinasa sa Castillo. Revive. There's a reason. Number 29, push foul. 2 shots for Mr. Castillo. First team foul for Mark. No good. Sala ulit. There's a reason. Foul. Foul number 87. Hitting foul. Number 18, shooting for 2. First throw, good for 1. Second throw. Substitution. Ang gigigit, di ba? Substitution. It's a deadlock. White, kulang pa na isang white. Game time. Deadlock 25. For our last 6 minutes of the second quarter. Tada. Pinasang bola. Number 3, good for 2 points. King, favor. Sandova. Dadalawang bola para sa light. Brumay. Pinasak. Diego. 2 points. May sasabihin na may mabit. Number 15. No good. White ball. Deadlock. Sandova. Pinasa kay Mr. Torquilla. No good. Rebound by Bart. Manalo pa na. Pinasa sa 15. Nagpagawa na Juan Flores. Pinasa kay Baliktad. Pinasa kay Torquilla. Pinalik kay Baliktad. Nasa call. Ito. Ano tawag din? Foul number 22. Baliktad, getting the play. Sandova. Pulang jump, pinasakit Torquilla. Torquilla. Good for 2 points. Mr. Joshua Torquilla. Change paper to Lyle. Manaan. Lakbo. Number 3. Nakalawang bola, nagawa ng Diego. For reason, 5 seconds violation by Mr. Nicholas. Ball hugging. Thank you, ref. Number 3, pinasa sa 15. No good. Rebound by Mr. Torquilla. Loses the ball. No good. Up. Foul. Foul number 3. Number 3. 14 fouls for start. Warning for penalty. Magandang laban ng Ripa. Parehas pagod. Number 9. Binigay kay Baliktad. Brumay. No good. Rebound miss. Nakuha ni Mr. Baliktad. On the run. No good. Number 22. 2 points by number 22. Deadlock. Again. 3 minutes. On the second quarter. Flores. Bababa ng bola. Traveling by our referee. 2:45, 5 o'clock. Pinabati ko po ang ano ko. Huwag po kayo magsiksikan. Number 15. Tumira ng 3. Dogo. Rebound by Flores. Ipinasto. Di na makahabol sa Mr. Baliktad. Game time. Our score, deadlock. Offensive foul by number 15. Penalty. Wala, offensive. Sorry. Number 9. Pulling the ball. Pinasa kay Baliktad. Provide. Pinasa kay Flores. No good. Rebound by 33. Pinasa sa 24. Nagkamadali. No good. Rebound by 33. Lumabas ang pula. Light ball. Flores. Pinagiging sa Doban. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ng 33. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ng 28. Flores, binigay kay number Diego. 2 points pa kay Diego. May maibita na ng matik na may. Nakashoot na ako. Number 3. No good. Rebound na po na 24. 10 seconds na shot clock. Ang bola. Joseph pinasarap sa global. Nagalo. No good. Ang sa Flores. Nasa Wilson. Foul number 3. Penalty. Flores shooting for 2. 29 top 1. 2.8 by the line. Flores shooting for 2. First throw. Salah. Shoot down. Maraming mapel. Shoot na ng agadi. Second throw. No good. Sabi ka ng bola. 433. Nakabola 24. Drop. 2 points for Mr. Barang. Nakabola bola. Good for 3. Point. Running by the ball. Right, ang ball has 13 seconds. Still by 33. 22. There's a weekend. Foul. Foul number 26. Time out. 35-31 score. Maganda po ang gulong sa ilalim. Parehas magugulang. Ulma, pasok na Ulma. First throw, good. Second throw for number 22. Completed by the free throw. Diego. Light ball. Dark pressure in the light. Balitaan. Nakalusot. Last 4 seconds. Balitaan. No good. End of the first half. 37-31. Intero start na magandang laro. Gonzalez, no good. Limang may tumamping, no good. Nakagawang bola, nakagawang Brooks Inala. Hotel na. Sinasakay number 19. Brumay, there's a call traveling. Ay number 19. 37-31. Miller, no good. Nabola si Miller. Sa ilalim. 2 points by our second commissioner. Tumamping. 37-33. Ilaga, floating the play. Pursuan. No good. Rebounding. Nabola si Carl. Pinasa Castillo. Sinalik kay Palopio. Nagpanikan. No good. Rebound by Palopio. Servisan. Foul. Foul number 19. 90. Stop time na ba tayo? Third quarter. First throw. Second throw by Panopio. Completed. The free throw. 37-35. Hotel. Still in table. Ilagan. Setting the play for Hotel. Mr. Brooks. Trumay. Pull-up jump. No good. Rebound by Rolfo. Just a whistle. 9 violation. Nice ball. 27. Pinasakit Miller. Tumaping. 2 points by Commissioner number 2, Mr. Tumaping. Deadlock. 9:47 of the clock. Lagat, getting the play. 19, Tumira. No good. Nakuha ng bola. Laway Tumaping. Nakuha ng Castillo. Castillo naman now. Castillo. Binigay kay Panopio. Tumig. Binigay kay Howard. Napaibig na press. No good. Rebound by Panopio. Pinasa kay Gonzales. No good ulit. Nakuha ni Omen. Bernardo. Pinasa kay Mr. Norto. There's a weekend. Utesi foul. Number 43. Utesi foul. Deadlock on 37. 8:50 on the clock. Miller. Miller time kaya. Pinasa kay Kuya Dennis Gonzales. Just a block. There's a steal by number 18. Panopio. Set the play. Miller now through by. Just a whistle. Foul. Number 7. Hitting foul. Noto. 2 foul by Dark. Miller nag-inbound ng bola. Pinasa ito ng ping na paibig. Kapok. Oven. Nakuha ng Oven. Pinasa kay Brooks. Binigay sa number 7. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Panopio. Ipinato kay Castillo. Let alone for 2. Good for 2 points. Change favor po tayo. 39-37. Third quarter. Still 7 minutes on the clock. Ilagan. Pinigay kay Oleg. Pinasa kay Orolpo. Lumang pa. Light ball. Castillo. Nagbababa ng bola. Pinasa kay Miller. Miller. Pinasa kay Castillo. No good. Rebound kay Jose Orolpo. Pinababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 7. Pinasa kay Omen. Omen umikot. Dark. Punta po sa gitna. Dito. Level, setting the play. Level. Pinasa kay Panopio. Napaitin yung press. No good. Rebound by Gonzales. Pinigay kay Howard. Waldos with the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nakuha ng Gonzales. No good. Napok na. May tumagping. Castillo. Tatapik ang pok na. Pinasa kay Castillo. There's a whistle. Number 7. Push. Number 7 is third personal foul. 14 fouls by Dark. Castillo, first throw. No good. Another throw. In violation. 2 shots by Castillo. 2 shots. First throw, good for Pascal. Second throw. Nagagawa ng bola ng Juan Gomez. Nakuha. Last shot. Light ball. 40-37. Bantaton. Miller, nagkakaroon ng bola. Tumating. Mandatory substitution. White ball. Mandatory substitution. White ball. Light ball. Light ball. Ordones, Sandoval, light ball, 8 seconds on the 7 seconds of the shot clock. Aguilar, up for solution, foul number 14. Penalty. Penalty there. 2 shots for Mr. Pace of the League, Arthur Aguilar. First throw. Number 6. Pinasa sa ilalim, no good. Wala po, good o two. By number 87. 41-39. Balitaan. Pinasa ng Ordones, nakapay the press, no good. Rebound by 87. 5 minutes on the clock. Number 2. Dumay. 2 points. Deadlock. All 41. Two points by Mr. Tosasino.
Tayo. Sir, bukas sir. Bayag na kami dito.
Kausap ko daw, kausap. Six, nagbababa ng bola. Last 50 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14. 22. Rebound Hulman. Pinasa kay Pagkasila. Pinasa kay Sandoval. 4:23 on the time. Balitaan. Isip, Dumay. Good for 2 by Jesse Kinitan. 45-41. Six, Taylor. Number 6, pagmamadali. Nice ball. Number 23. Damay. Ordones. 3 points by Ordones. From Saudi Wing. 48-41. 38 on the time. 57 shot clock. Pinasa sa number 6. Tumingan. Nobod ko ng bola. Definition. Foul number 7. Hitting foul. First team foul by Light. 87 shooting for 2. First throw. No good. What's the future?
Seven, double foul.
Double foul on number 29 and number 7. Ball possession light. Bernay, bringing the ball. For Cecilia, no good. Rebound by 87. Pinabang bola ng Brazil. 2 points by number 2. 48-44 in favor of Sporting. Ordonez, pinasa kay Sandoval. Sporting on the shot clock. Palitaan, no good. Sabay na Bernay, tumilang ng dos, no good. Nakagawa ng bola, white ball. To 25 sa clock. 12 seconds in the shot clock. Sandoval, nakaibig, no good. Nakagawa ng bola, napunta ito sa Cecilia. Ito Vicente. Foul number 29, pushing foul, penalty. Third personal foul on number 29. 26 first shot, airball. Last shot for this and for Cecilia. Good for one ball. 49-44. Last 2 minutes of the third quarter. Number 2, getting the play. And keep the Aga. Tumay. Light ball. Number 9, getting the play. 11:45 on the clock. Ordonez, blocked by number 14. Tinanggalan, number 14. To make, no good. There's a Vicente, foul number 22. Hitting foul. 13 foul. 14 shooting for 2.
Lumulas na, ni Nenis.
Nagagawa ng bola. Light ball. 1:24 ang taktak. 49-45. Balikan. Drive. No good. Rebound by number 13. Mamatabi. Nasa Vicente. Foul number 22, blocking foul. 14 foul. Third personal foul by number 22. 87, good for 2. Last 1 minute of the third quarter. 49-47. Sandoval. 3 points by Sandoval. Last 42 seconds. 52-47 na score. Katapa. Second ang play sa blue. Number 14. Pinasa sa 87. No good. Number 13. 6 seconds on the shot clock. 4. Airball na bola for Cecilia. Last 18 seconds. Nakuha ng number 6. Pinasa sa 14. Tumilang ng toss. No good. Rebound by 13. 2 points. Last 5 seconds on the clock. And the third quarter, 52-48, our score. Fourth quarter, 52-48. Night ball. Number 6. 18. Setting the play. Drumay. 2.5. Brooks 11. Setting the play for guard. Joshua. Kailangan yung ikot. No good. Nakuha ang bola. Ilagan. Drumay. Pinasakit. Omeng. No good. Nakuha ang Omeng. 2 points para sa score for Dragon. 54-50. Light still in favor. Castillo. Setting the play for Light. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Tumanting. Air ball. Nakuha. Number 8. Tumipok. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Shot ball. Brooks 11. 12 on the shot clock. Ursula. No good. Nakuha ni Castillo. Pinasa kay Flores. Nagalong. 2 points para kay Crystal Flores. Nakapalakpak si Mrs. Pepe. 56-50 our score. Ilaga. Setting the play. Binalik kay Brooks. Binalik press. No good. Pinasa kay Brooks. Omeng napaibig. Sana. Nakuha pa rin ni Omeng. Nasa whistle. There's a blocking foul. Number 6. First team foul for the Light. Omeng lalo sa bola. Roll po. In and out. Flores. Nakang bola. Ready to play for Light. 15 on the clock. Panopio. Ready to play. 10 seconds. Tumipot. Naipit. Tumira. Sala. Nakuha ni Sir Rolpo. Binigay ang bola. 16 lang. Panopio. Excuse 7 or so ano yun? Time out? Okay. Tumambing. Okay. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Ilagan. Last 1 second at a time. Shot clock. Time out. Mark. Sana lang time out to start. minutes. After 6 minutes, sir. After 6 minutes ng fourth quarter.
6 minutes.
Part of the game. Number 6. Good for 2 points. Last 12 seconds of the shot clock. 10 seconds. Also, 1 to the threat. No good. Rebound by 21. 10 seconds of the shot clock. Mr. Lisa, rounding it. 58-50. Panoplia. One shot. Sabi na yun. Binigay ni Altupino. Altupino. Tumay. 2 points by Altupino. 60-50. 7-minute mark of the fourth quarter. Ilaga tulang jumper. Good for 2. Mr. Brooklyn. 7 minutes on the clock. Castillo. Pagkata ng bola. Binigay kay Altupino. Altupino. Pinasa kay Flores. Flores, wala bola. Nakuha ni Rolfo. Kinuha ni Rolfo. Pinasa kay 43. There's a whistle. Foul number 8. Blocking foul. First team foul. First two out, in and out, nakuha ni Mr. Doramos, nasa rin ng 43, nakuha ni number 6, still to Doramos, 10 seconds on the shot clock, no good, rebound by Altupino, there's a whistle, on number 19, pushing foul, number 19. Mandatory substitution, palit tao po, palit. Then after that, pwede na mag-sub in between. Pwede na mag-sub in between player after this. Thank you. 3 substitution na po tayo. Sandoba. Bringing the ball. Torton. Number 9. Sumiksik. No good. Rebound by Orton and no good. Kasi ka ng bola. Balikaan. Right ball. Number 9. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Sandoba. Good block by 22. Ginagawa bola. Out of bounds. Light ball. Number 9. Bringing the ball for light. Pass to Mr. Paitan. Binigay kay Miller. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Ortones. Balitaan. Traveling. 24 seconds shot clock at traveling by line. 60-52 our score. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. 24, setting the play. There's a whistle. Foul number 23. Substitution. Substitution. Orton is out. 88. Number 3, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. 6:50 to our score. 4-minute mark of the fourth quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. Sandoval provides. In and out. 24. At mamadali. Provide. Good for 2. 16:50 for our score. Fourth quarter. Panopio. Binigay kay Castillo. Castillo, binigay kay Sandoval. Good for 2. 62-54 our score. 3:28 in the clock. Number 13, tumira tayo na nakuha na number 8. Pinasa kay Sandoval. River shot. Good for 2. 64-54. Last 3 minutes of the total. Just a weekend. Number 11, foul. Blocking foul on number 11. Number 24, 3-1. Still by number 3. Number 24, ulit ang 3. No good. Nakuha number 33. Line. 64-59. For 59 score. 2 minutes and 38 seconds on the clock. For the last quarter of the game, Sandoval, binigay si Castillo, binigay Sandoval. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Panopio, binigay si Sandoval. Provide, umigot. 2, pinasang na 24. Nagbabagay lahat. Rebound by Castillo. Pinasang kay Panopio. Panopio. Set the play. Binigay kay Sandoval. Nakatawag ang bola. Napunta ng 3. Pinato ang bola. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ulit. Number 15. There's a reset. Foul on number 11. 14 foul by Light. Warning for penalty. Light. 1:53 on the clock. Before provide, Salah. Nagkakawa ng bola na wala Panopio. Panopio. Pinasa ni Castillo. Sinalik. Nakuha ni Sandoval. Tumira ng toss. In and out. Nakuha na number 33. 50. Number 3. In and out. Nakuha na number 33. The solution. Foul on number 13. Beating foul. Penalty. Good for one goal. Guard, last time out remaining. 9-2. 2 timeouts left. Right. Dart sa kalang po. 33. Second shot. No good. Nakuha na. Nueve. Pinasa kay Howell. There's a weekend. 33. Black down. 1:19 on the clock. 1:19. Napakaganda po ng laro. Napakaganda ng laro para bayan. Howell. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nag-Miller time. Binigay kay Sandoval. Castillo. 2 balls by Castillo. 58 seconds. 24. At walang tawag. Negos na bawang bola. Still, Anopio, running now. 2-on-1 situation. Panopio. Provides to Castillo. 2 points by Castillo. 68-60. 43 seconds on the clock. Nasa 22. Nakuha na pa ng Miller. 35 seconds. 68-60. Pinalikip ni Miller. Binalik ni Panopio. 10 seconds in the shot clock. Binalik ni Castillo. Abay-big ng 3. No good. Pasi ka ng bola. Third ball. 16.8 seconds on the clock. Binato. 22. Good for 2. Laro. There's a weekend. Foul number 24. 13 foul. 12.3 seconds on the clock. 13 foul by Bar. Team by 22 to 3. Last 9 seconds. Number 3. Nadala ng bola. Bernard. No good. Nakuha mo na 24 on 3-point shot. No good. 68-62. Napahanap ng minuto. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng player. Thank you for being support. Maraming salamat.